the underwater foundation is very soft. We must reinforce it first. Soil is soft underwater. Pierce the pile foundation through the soft soil into the bedrock to make it sturdy. Thus, the pier will stand in the water sturdily. Now we need to install seismic isolating bearings in between the piers and the decks. And the columns with wire cable so that the bridge will be sturdier. The bridge is built! What a pretty bridge! Is the bridge we built sturdy enough during earthquake? Let's check it out by swiping the button. Small earthquake. Stay intact in a small earthquake. Medium earthquake. Repairable damages in medium earthquake. Big earthquake.